Good morning, Scrappers, CC Scraps channel. How you doing today? I'm a little hoarse. It's just damp outside. It's somewhat warm out. Like it's probably 40. Yeah, let's see how warm is it. That would be on the subject. Weather in Syracuse, New York. Let's see what we got here. Today it's obviously Saturday. The high will be 52, which is unseasonably warm for this time of year in upstate New York. If you guys have ever lived in upstate New York, I mean upstate by like the middle part, like Syracuse, Rochester, Syracuse. How does it work? Albany, then it's Rochester, Buffalo. I think that's how it goes. I can't remember what's in the middle in there. Troy, maybe. But anyway, you guys will know that it's Arctic temperatures up here. It's freezing. You saw what happened to Buffalo, like just a few weeks ago. That was a little crazy, but that's not uncommon to have a lot of freaking snow like that around here. There's a blizzard of 93 in 1993. That was crazy. There was a lot of snow on the ground that year too. I remember my car had an old Pontiac Grand Prix 84. It was kind of a chill car for, my age in that time, I guess. But that thing got stuck in the snow for like a day. I was trying to dig that out. Couldn't go to work. It was fun. Anyway, a little bit of nostalgia and the life of old CC Scraps. But anyway, we're going to do something fun today in the workshop. If you see, you see me using this dumpster stick a lot. So I got this idea off of watching Mike the Scavenger dumpster dive. One of his subscribers welded a piece of rod in here to give him a little more stability when he picks stuff up, and they sharpened the tip on it. So I think that's what we're going to do. We're going to copy it. And then you guys can see how a real crappy welder I am. I'm going to get to play with my little stick welder that I got a few months back. So sit tight. So we're going to start by cleaning it up. So what I did with this is kind of a cool idea. I found this Allen wrench that I have a million of them. So I'm going to just kind of weld it in like that and see what happens. But first we're going to start by cleaning up the workpiece. I kick her going sometimes. Be careful. Be careful. This little grinder doesn't have much ass, but it works for little stuff like this perfectly. And I can move it around the shop as needed. Alright, y'all, we're gonna get ready to tack this on here and here. I've got my welder set. Let's turn around. Got it at 45 amps. These are really skinny. These are 1/16. They look like little sparklers, so this is messing around with it. But we're going to hit right here and here. Let's get the gloves on. I got my helmet on so I don't get a flash burn or hurt my little eyeballs, everybody. So here we go. And don't judge me, please, on my welding. burning a little hot, I think. Turn it down a little bit. Well, I sure as shit ain't gonna be welding any structure, so let's flip this bad boy over and do the other side. Sit tight. Oh, that's terrible. Anyway, but well, this little stick welder is crazy little like bzzz. I was like, wow, okay. Let's flip her over, tack her back down. Clamp her down, we'll hit the other side. Oh, we're still going. Whoops. Well, here, then let me stop shooting around, everybody, and get back to this other side. See, I got no perception. There we go. That's better. Alright, so that's pretty crappy, y'all. Let's try it again here. Better. All right. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got here. All right. So now we're just going to clean up the welds with the wire wheel here. So we're looking here. Yep, looks good. Don't feel any sharp edges, which is even better. Cool. Now we just get to putting a little spin here, a little point on this thing, and go from there. So now I'm just gonna put a little bit of a point on the tip of this thing and call it a day here. And so they say Bob's your uncle. Come on. Probably going to be here all day with this little bitty grinder, but The other one's kind of buried in the, well, I don't really have a bigger grinder. It's just got both my wire wheels on it, so guess I can be lazy and change it out or not. Or I can put a grinding wheel on one of my regular angle grinders, put it in here, which I'm probably going to wind up doing here. So you're right. I know what you're thinking. Off camera, I ground this whole thing to a point, and you are correct. There's just something satisfying about it, and I just kind of got caught up in the moment, and here we are right now. It only took like 20 minutes later. It really didn't take an awful amount of time. But it's kind of, it's getting there. See how you guys see that? Pretty nifty, huh? Gotta watch your hand on that side. Alright, let me stop. So, yeah. Do I look like a scrapper Poseidon? Like this is my trident? I don't know, I think it came out alright. I mean, I can hook it, get you. Someone tries to steal my scrap, get them right like that, maybe. I don't know, just kidding. But yeah, I think this is going to work out a lot better. So let's discuss our outcome. So it came out pretty decent. I mean, the welds look like crap, but like I said, I'm not trying to win a welding contest, which I clearly would not. But I mean, it penetrated good. It's on there. Like this thing's solid. This thing is like, and then the point, a new little point on there. But yeah, I'd say that was a successful DIY. Thank you, Mike the Scavenger. Thank you, whoever made up this idea. And thank you, Mike the Scavenger, for putting it on your channel. And on that note, hope y'all have a great weekend. Thanks for dropping by for this quick little shop. DIY. CC Scraps. Peace.